All right, good morning. Welcome back, everybody. This is day 1 of week 11. All right, so we'll go over what we have for the week, make sure that we're on track, and then give you some time to work. All right, I hope everybody had a great spring break. 9 weeks left, and then school is out. We get out middle of May. We get out really early this year. We get out May. I feel like it's so early this year. So we get out May. Where is it? Let me find it. So your final exams end on the 16th. So we're either out the 17th or the 20th. I think we're out the 17th. But I mean, really soon, less than basically about 2 months. So it's going to be really, really fast before we know it. All right. So let's talk about what's going on this week. I did want to show you really quick in the announcements. One of my coworkers made this really cool video. So just when you are absent, what do you need to do? Fill out the attendance form, go look at the lesson recording page, see what you missed. You can see the recording, of what we're going over in class, complete and submit that work. Email me if you have questions. But she made this cute little video kind of demonstrating that to give a better idea of that. So submitting your absence note, right? So when you miss class, making sure you get attendance taken care of, going to the lesson and recording page for the week of, making sure that you then watch the video, get any assignments done, right, that are corresponding with that class session, and then, email if you have any questions and stuff like that, okay? So I thought that was cute. So I was like, never hurts, even at the end of the year, it never hurts to post that. All right. Never hurts for us to just be reminded if we miss class, those things that we need to do. And another spot where you can get that absence form. Okay. And so, because teachers aren't allowed to excuse absences. All right. So let's take a look at week 11, what we're working on. I'm going to scroll down. Oops. Okay, so remember we did that budgeting quiz together. So we did this the week before spring break. It was after third quarter was kind of closed, but fourth quarter hasn't officially begun. So if you haven't done that budgeting quiz, we literally did it together and I videoed it. Okay, so you can find that video on the week 10. So that's going to be the first grade that goes in for fourth quarter. And that was technically due yesterday because we did it the week before spring break. Okay. It doesn't take very long. And if you literally want to see the answers, you can go and you can get that on the video week 10. Okay. So make sure that you're getting that done. This should be an easy class. So staying on top of your work, especially when we do everything in class, is going to be really helpful. So we talked about budgets, balancing budgets, and how to compare products, looking at unit pricing, how large the item is, things like that. All right. For this week, we're going to take it easy this week. Okay. We're not going to do anything too crazy, stuff like that. We're going to just work in ExactPath. So it's been a while, almost a month since we worked in ExactPath. So we're going to get back on track with ExactPath. I know some people I adjusted, some people I haven't. So also this is an opportunity today, tomorrow. If you get into ExactPath and you still find that your reading or your math is too hard, then I would love you to send me an email during class. Okay. You can send me a personal email, throw my email in the chat, and to say, hey, Ms. Hall, can you adjust my math? It's too hard, or my reading, it's too hard, or it's too easy, Okay, so we're going to go into ExactPath. We're going to work in ExactPath. Remember, you need to do 30 minutes reading, 30 minutes of math. I don't care which one you want to do, okay? So go ahead and throw in the chat for me which one you're going to work on first. We're going to go into Clever, get that launched. We're going to get that. Nope, wrong one, Christina. Nope, wrong one, Christina. All right. Like wrong account. There we go. Okay. So you're going to launch your ExactPath. And you're going to do either reading or math to start with. Okay. 30 minutes in each. I'll put the timer up here in just a minute. Go ahead and throw in the chat which one you're going to do. Get that open for me. And then again, as you start working on it, if you find that it's too hard, go ahead and send me an email during class and tell me which one you want adjusted. If you need it adjusted a little bit easier or a little harder, let me know and I can get those adjusted. I did some people's and some people submit it late and I didn't get a chance to adjust it. So if you find that it's the same, you're like, I don't think she adjusted this, send me an email so I can do that. All right. Cause it's just easiest if I do it like during class, and stuff where when it was late and I didn't get it or, whatever. So I want to make sure that anybody that needs it adjusted that I can do that. All right. Let me get my timer up. All right. Did everybody throw in the chat? Are we doing, so we got some reading, math, and we're kind of all feeling, oh, a lot of reading. All right. Some math. Okay, great. So have that up. Let me get this started. And then, like I said, if you didn't do the budgeting quiz, get that done real quick. That doesn't take very long. So get that done real quick. That's the first grade for fourth quarter. You don't want that to be missing. That's real easy. And you can literally watch the video on the week 10 and then work on this. Okay. So we'll get 30 minutes done today. So you'll be able to get reading or math done. And then we'll do 30 minutes tomorrow when we meet. So you literally should be able to get all this done in class and have extra time to work tomorrow. Okay. And then throw me an email or send me an email if you need me to adjust anything. All right. Awesome. Awesome. Let me know if you have any questions. Hey, everybody. So let me know if you need it adjusted. So if you're finding that the reading or math is too hard or too easy, shoot me an email. I threw it there in the chat and then I can adjust it. Okay. So let me know. Okay, you're doing good. We got about 15 minutes left, so you should be able to finish either the reading or the math component, whichever one you're working on, and then you can do the other tomorrow. So keep at it. Send me an email if you have any questions or if you need anything adjusted. Kendra, I responded to your email, so let me know. Hey, Christian, we're just working in ExactPath. So, I mean, your scholars, don't worry about attendance, but we're just working on getting half our ExactPath done. So we went over, make sure that you got the budgeting quiz in. We did that week 10 before spring break. It was due yesterday. Remember, we did that in class together. So if you already got that in, great. If not, make sure you get that in. And then we were just starting our ExactPath, and then we'll continue working tomorrow. 30 minutes in reading, 30 minutes in math. So picking one today, and then we'll do the other tomorrow. So we've got about 5 minutes left. Okay. Let me know if you got any questions. About 4 minutes, everybody. Keep going. Then that way you'll be halfway done with your ExactPath, and we'll do the other half tomorrow in class. Okay, we're done. Yay. All right. So hopefully you were using your time wisely. So you should have gotten either 30 minutes of reading or 30 minutes of math done. All right. So tomorrow you'll just do the opposite. So if you did reading, you'll do math. If you did math, you'll do reading. And again, you should have extra time tomorrow, right? Because tomorrow's block day. So if you've been assigned other work for another class or something, you should have about 40 minutes in class after you finish your EverFi, then that you can work on other work and things like that. All right. So have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you get that budgeting quiz in. We want to start out on a good foot. All right. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, Dean. Thank you, Marlene. Have a wonderful day.